What do you mean? By who? So what that mean? Because you don't know leads for me? Nothing? Not when me can act on by myself? This must be Marcus and Michelle's doing, you know. Cause she never wired up on the case. Alright, Bubbles. Thanks.
Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself a fight. If some deserving dirtbag a black eye, and if he swings at me, then I'll bust that sucker's
Michelle,
Look, Michelle,
where the hell are you?
I don't know where you and your husband cook up and get Anja for the case. But you need to call me back.
I've been calling you for the longest while, and every time I call you, Michelle, your phone got a voicemail.
I've been calling you up here voicemail. It's unacceptable.
Look here, as soon as you get this message, please call me back. I'm tired of calling you and can't get you. It's like you're a ghost. And get a hold of yourself, too, man. Everything is going to be fine. Have some faith. She's gonna come back home to us. Call me as soon as you get this.
We need to know what happened with Tiffany.
tonight I'm gonna drink like Daddy done. Gonna act a fool and keep on till the dawn. Drink 15 pints of beer, then I'll go right out here. And tonight I'm gonna drink like Daddy done. 'Cause I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. When meetings come to me, and anyone's ever seen, get out of the way of the hurricane. There's a heavy price to pay. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean.
It's a big boss. Got to pray now. Got to move.
Boss, you don't breathe enough.
Gentlemen, the period of grieving is over. So it's time for movements. But I think it's also time to change gear, change the lane, and even the direction we go.
So bossy, what do you say? It's a total turnaround.
Let me just say, we can just expect some changes. You see the period? However, there's some loose ends that need tying up, and someone definitely have to check it out. Like a road.
I'm feeling mean.
Hello. No, Dr. Grant. You'll have to set an appointment for next week to see me. I have a lot dealing with right now. And I don't have any time for you and your plant and herb and bush them. You got what you wanted, Maxine. So work with what you have. I said no. I don't have any time to entertain this right now. I'm hanging up right now, aren't I? I'm hanging up. Goodbye, Maxine. This This woman is like a damn parasite. She's like she's a financial bug. She wants to take every single dollar out of every account that exists. She can't be satisfied. How do I fix it, Max? You soon get what you look for.